AI is speeding up the volume of code that developers ship and the exploitation of vulnerabilities in production by attackers. With GitLab, teams can now resolve SAST false positive alerts and remediate vulnerabilities in bulk to drive down your risk and free your team's time to ship features. Let's see how these features can help clear your vulnerability backlog. We start at a project called Frontend, which is part of an application called Tanuki Bank. First, we need to enable two features. We head to our project's GitLab Duo General settings and enable, turn on SAST false positive detection, and turn on SAST vulnerability resolution workflow. By enabling these two capabilities, not only are we asking Duo Agent Platform to automatically detect false positives for us, but also to resolve any true positives as soon as they are detected. We will see how these two capabilities work in conjunction later in this demo. Also, we need to check one more thing. This project sits under the top group called Developer Advocacy at GitLab. So we head to our users' preferences and scroll down to the behavior section and ensure that our default GitLab Duo namespace is set to Developer Advocacy at GitLab. You will need to adjust the default namespace for your team or organization. This project has existing vulnerabilities, so let's open its vulnerability report. Let's filter the list by active SAST vulnerabilities. We have 3 of them. Next, we select all the vulnerabilities in the list. At this point, we could choose to run a vulnerability resolution in bulk for all of the selected vulnerabilities, all of which, by the way, have a vulnerability resolution available. But why don't we first identify any false positives? This way, we could run a bulk vulnerability resolution flow just for the true positives. Let's select Run SAST False Positive Detection from the Select Action list. A button with the same name appears on the right side of the screen. Clicking on this button starts the bulk SAST false positive detection flow. A Detecting False Positives progress bar temporarily appears on the screen as these agent flows run. Also, a label saying Duo Verifying appears for each vulnerability being checked for false positives. As we refresh the screen, we see that one false positive detection flow has finished, and it has marked one vulnerability with a Not a False Positive label. Once all the flows complete, we notice that 2 vulnerabilities have been determined to be true positives and one has been marked as a possible false positive. Also, notice the 2 view session labels next to the 2 true positives. This indicates that Duo Agent Platform has already kicked off vulnerability resolution flows in bulk for these 2 on our behalf. Let's open these 2 running AI sessions to watch their progress. We can see the flows check that the vulnerabilities are true positives. They then fetch the corresponding source files that are affected by their respective vulnerabilities. They proceed to edit the files and patch them. They create and run unit tests to validate that the fixes work. They proceed to commit the fixes, and finally, they create merge requests which they link to their respective vulnerabilities. Let's head back to the vulnerability report and drill into one of the high severity vulnerabilities to confirm that it's now related to a merge request that fixes it. We confirm that the SAST false positive detection flow has only a 5% confidence that this vulnerability is a false positive. The fact that this vulnerability is a true positive and that its severity is high caused the automatic run of the bulk vulnerability resolution flow. Scrolling down the vulnerability detail page, we now see that there is a merge request associated with this vulnerability. This is the merge request that contains a vulnerability fix, which was generated in its entirety by the vulnerability resolution flow. Let's open the newly generated merge request. In it, we can navigate to the Changes tab to see all the files and modifications made by the AI flow to fix this vulnerability. We head back to the vulnerability report and drill into the second high vulnerability detail page. Scrolling down its page, we verify that a newly created merge request has also been associated with it by the vulnerability resolution flow. And there you have it. Teams can now use Duo Agent Platform to drive down their existing backlog by eliminating false positives and automating remediation so you can get back to shipping.